Hello, good morning everyone. Today we'll see the skeletal system. In human skeletal system, there are 206 bones which is divided into two parts. First one is the axial bone and second is the appendicular bone. Axial bones are 80 and appendicular bones are 126. ते आपण वन बाय वन बघूयात. ॲक्सियल बोनमध्ये 4 क्लासिफिकेशन होतात. पहिला आहे स्कल, सेकंड वर्टिबल कॉलम, थर्ड स्टर्नम अँड रिब्स. Single sternum and there are 12 pairs of the ribs, 26 vertebral columns and 29 skull bones. Skull again divided into 4 types. First cranium, which is 8 bones, facial bones 14, ear ossicles 6 bones and hyoid only 1 bone. Okay, first cranium again classified into different bones. The first one is the frontal bone, which is single. Second, parietal bone, which is 2. Third one is the temporal bone, which is 2 in number. Fourth is the occipital, single bone. Then sphenoid bone, single bone. Then ethmoid bone, which is also single. The next one is the facial bones. There are 14 facial bones. First one is the nasal. There are 2 nasal bones. Then 2 inferior tuberals, then 1 ulnar bone. The next is the 2 lacrimal bones, 2 zygomatic bones, then palatine 2, maxilla and mandible single bones. The next one is the ear ossicles. There are 6 bones in 2 ears. First one is the stapes, stapes 2 in number, then incus 2 and third one is the malleus. लक्षात ठेवताना तुम्ही मिस असं लक्षात ठेवू शकता. malleus, incus and stapes. Then hyoid is single bone. Next one is the vertebral columns. There are 26 vertebral columns. First one is the cervical 7, thoracic 12, lumbar 5, sacrum single and coccyx single. Then next one is the appendicular bones, which is divided into 2 types. First one is the girdle part, second one is the limb part. Girdle consists of the 6 bones. Limbs consist of the upper limbs and lower limbs. In girdle there are pectoral girdle and pelvic girdle. And pectoral girdle having 4 bones. First is the clavicle 2 bones and second is the scapula 2 bones. And pelvic girdle there are 2 bones. Then second limb part, which consists of the 120 bones, upper limb and 60, lower limb 60. Upper limb, first is the humerus 2 bones, radius 2 bones, ulna 2 bones, carpal consists of the 8 bones, metacarpal 5 and phalanges 14. In lower limbs there are 60 bones. First one is the femur 2 bones, fibula 2 bones, tibia also 2 bones. The next one is the patella 2 bones. Then next is the tarsal, metatarsal and phalanges. Tarsal 7 bones, metatarsal 5 bones and phalanges 14 bones.